Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your speaker QCY SP7. Firstly, we need to turn off the speaker. At the top of the speaker we have power button. Press and hold this power button. We turn off it. We can check it also in the settings if we go to the Bluetooth. So if you have iOS, you will see not connected text near to your speaker, and if you have Android, it depends, but it will move from My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices. But on the other side, on Realme, let's say, we have a text under your speaker in use if it connected and no text if it disconnected. So maybe you have the similar path to check it. After that, we need to turn on the speaker. So press and hold power button again. We turn on it, and the speaker should reconnect with your phone automatically. Sometimes it happens that it don't want to reconnect automatically, so then you need to tap on it at the device list. So you need to go to the Bluetooth or connected devices and tap on it. And with this method, you can fix a lot of small and sometimes big trouble with your speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!